Hi, good morning everyone. I am Santosh Gola and today is uh, 2 February 2022 and today's our topic is Constructor in Java. First of all, a constructor means a constructor is a block of codes similar to methods, and it is also called an instance class of, and at the time of calling constructor, memory for the object is allocated in memory, and a constructor it has a special type of method which is used to initialize the object, and at every time an object is created using the new keyword, at least one constructor is named, and it calls a default constructor if there is no constructor available in the class. In such case, the Java compiler will provide a default constructor, and constructor is it's actually a block of code, and it is similar to the methods, and there are two types of constructors are used in Java. First one is default constructor, and second one is parameterized constructor. First of all, default constructor means uh, a constructor the value at the time of object creation, and it is not necessary to write a constructor code of a class. And it is and there are some rules in Java for constructor. Two rules are there. A constructor must have to explicit at runtime, and second rule is a Java constructor cannot be abstract or static at final point, and a constructor must have and there are two types of constructors are there: default constructor, parameterized constructor. Default means a constructor that either has no parameters, or if it has parameters, all the parameters have default values, and this value uh, constructor is an inline public member of its class, and the compiler will implicitly and define that, and when the compiler use this constructor to create the object of a class, and if we do not create any constructor, then the Java compiler automatically creates a constructor during the execution of the program. This called as a default constructor, and second one is parameterized constructor. A parameterized constructor means in which has a specific number of parameters. It's called parameterized constructor, and it can exist even with the existence of default class constructor. and the advantages of parameterized constructor is to initialize each instance of a class by the different values. And parameterized constructor is declared using the function, and it includes two methods, get and a and get b. And a parameterized constructor uses instance variable of different objects with a thank you.